Could you please adjust the focus of the image? Copy. The target is to the 1 block to the right of the VSK. We are in alignment. Copy. The angular size of the target is over 1.5 blocks, approaching 2 blocks. Copy. 2 blocks is the angular size of the target. We are in alignment, right in the center. Copy. In the center, half a block above and to the left of VSK, coming back to the center. We are in alignment. 2.5 blocks, 3 blocks. Expecting for the contact goes to the left 1 block below the, we are in alignment. 4 blocks waiting for the contact. There is a misalignment within the range contact. Mechanical capture. We're observing that.
This is Mission Control Moscow. Docking of the Soyuz TMA-19 confirmed at 5:21 p.m. Central Time. That is 2:21 a.m. here in Moscow. Also 6:21 p.m. Eastern Time. So the crew of the Soyuz TMA-19, including the Soyuz commander Fyodor Yurchikhin, as well as the flight engineers Doug Wheelock and Shannon Walker, have arrived at their new home for the next 6 months. Once again, the Soyuz TMA-19 has docked with the International Space Station. Official docking time 5:21 p.m. Central Time, 6:21 p.m. Eastern Time, 2:21 a.m. Moscow time.
Open.
So Tracy, Caldwell, Dyson, Mikhail, Kornienko, and Alexander Skvortsov there are getting ready to welcome their brand new Expedition 24 crewmates. Doug Wheelock, Shannon Walker, and Fyodor Yurchikhin getting ready to make their way inside the Zvezda Service Module. And there you see Yurchikhin greeting Skvortsov, as well as Caldwell, Dyson. This crew getting their first view inside the International Space Station after traveling for 2 days after their launch. There is Shannon Walker getting her first view of the orbiting complex, and back behind her is Doug Wheelock there. This is Walker's first trip up to the station. It is Wheelock's second. Last time he saw the International Space Station was back on STS-120. This orbiting complex looked quite a bit different back then. He and his fellow crewmates on board Shuttle Discovery delivered the Harmony node, but since that time, the Columbus Laboratory has been added, as well as the Caldwell Laboratory, as well as certain brand new sections of the Russian segment. So this outpost looking quite a bit different than it did last time Wheelock was there. But there you see the Expedition 24 crew, as it will remain for the rest of this increment over the summer and into the fall.
How do you read me on SG-1? Hello, dear friends. How do you read me? We read you loud and clear. How us? We read you loud and clear also. This is Alexander Lopatin, the first deputy chairman of the State Committee. On behalf of our State Committee, I congratulate you with the successful beginning of your flight, and looking at how you met each other, how you smile, how you laugh, that means that everything is successful. Alexander, this is the new addition to your crew. Thank you very much. So now you have a full crew. And best wishes in your joint venture and your joint work. And now I give the I give a stage to our American colleagues.
Hello, this is Gerst. How are you guys doing?
Doing great, Gerst. It's good to hear from you.
It is great to see all you guys together in space, all 6 of you. You'll have an awesome expedition, plenty of good work in front of you. Enjoy your time, enjoy your friendship. The time will go by fast, but make sure you enjoy yourself, good work, and have a good time. And I'll turn it over to Mike Coates.
Hi, this is Mike Coates, and I want to congratulate you for a picture-perfect rendezvous and docking. It's delightful to see the space station fully manned again with a 6-person crew. I want you to enjoy your time up there, say hello, but don't waste a whole lot of time. We need you to get to work in the world's finest laboratory up there. I'm sitting next to Shannon's mother, Sherry, and I promised her, Shannon, that you would get plenty of exercise, eat right, and get to bed at a reasonable time. So I'll turn this over to your mother for a second to say hello.
Hello, Shannon. This is Sherry Walker, your mom. I hope you had a great flight up there, and it was everything you thought it was going to be. I can see the big grin on your face, so I know you're having a good time. I'm going to give the phone to Rosalind now so she can say hello.
Hello, Shannon. This is Rosalind. I actually had a message for Fyodor and Wheels to please bring you home safely.
I have a lot to do with that, too.
Дорогие друзья, Центр управления полетами приветствует вас. Вот, получается, мы говорим.
Everybody's talking at the same time. One more, guys, on the behalf of MCC Moscow. I congratulate you on the successful docking. Best wishes at the beginning and throughout your entire mission. We understand you have a great deal of tasks in front of you, and as our American colleagues already said, roll up your sleeves and work. But before you do that, again, have fun, and I understand you'd like to hear your loved ones before you start working. All your families are here. Again, best wishes to you, and best of luck, and we will support you wholeheartedly here. Best wishes. So official part is over. Now your loved ones would like to talk to you. Hello, Daddy. I want to say that I love you very much, and best wishes to you. Yes, dear. Thank you. I love you too. This is not Dashulka. This is your sweetheart. This is your wife. Hello, my dear. I'm glad to hear your voice. How are you doing? We're doing fine, and you look great. You look great. We understand you had a very tedious and very difficult job, but you did great. We love you all, and we can't wait to see you back on Earth. Love, hugs, and kisses. And one more time, I want to say that I love you very much. You're the best. You're the best thing that happened to me. I love you very, very much.
Wheels, this is Tomcat. I just thought I'd tell you that on behalf of all the people in the fishbowl and all the people back in the U.S., we wish you the best. Great flight, incredible launch.
Hey, thanks a lot, Tomcat. It's great to hear from you, and I hope the flight back to Moscow was a good one. And you have to tell me about the light show sometime, how the launch was.
Hey, Wheels and Shannon, it's Melissa. Josh wanted me to tell you hi. You guys look amazing. And Shannon, I'll bet you just haven't stopped smiling. Oh, well, we'll see you guys back in Houston in 6 months.
Hey, thanks for coming, Melissa, and tell Josh that sorry he wasn't able to make it there, but thanks to everyone in Star City. You'd pass our thanks to them. That was a great send-off you guys gave us a couple weeks ago. And I'm telling you, that smile when those engines lit on that rocket, that smile was just like that. And it hasn't left Shannon's face since, so it was really, really great.
Well, congratulations.
Thanks a lot, Melissa. It's great to hear from you.
Wheels, Sully.
Sully, Wheels, go.
Listen, you guys were all wonderful, and to the entire crew, Miatki Pasaki.
Thank you so much, Sully. And hey, Kristen and Kyle now, they've got plenty of ammo to do their school papers when they get back.
А прекрасная половина МКС желает что-нибудь сказать? А то все мужчины.
Okay, the best half of ISS. Would you like to say something? Because only men are talking.
Девушек, представительниц прекрасного.
Okay, you see the
прекрасной половины, поэтому кому вы хотите?
There are fewer of them, the better half. Who do you want to talk to? Tracy or Shannon? Well, we don't care. Anybody. We would love to hear all of them.
Я думаю, что я сейчас тогда дам трубку Tracy. Ну, в смысле, на
Нет, но Shannon уже говорила.
Well, Shannon already talked.
Они не хотят, значит, надо третью найти.
Well, if there is nobody else, that try to find a third woman if you have one there, up there.
Hey guys, it's Katie, and hello from everybody here in the office and back in Star City. And so what we'd like to hear some stories. We want to hear about Ascent. We want to hear what it's like up there.
I don't think we have enough time right now to go through all of it, but we will tell you everything later on. It's good to hear from you, Katie.
Hey, for Katie and Paolo, we did, Shannon and I, last couple of days have been putting together our thoughts on the things we experienced during the ascent phase, and also just living aboard the Soyuz. We've got some tips for you and some things that were not really surprises, but things that might help you guys out as well.
I was thinking that folks in the fishbowl might like to hear just a couple of your thoughts about what Ascent was like, or what it was like to first float around in the Bayo.
I don't think there's any way to easily describe what Ascent is like. It is totally amazing. This giant beast comes to life and shoves you skyward, and it's noisy and shaky, but wonderful at the same time.
It's interesting when everything is pressurized a couple minutes before launch. You can feel things happening underneath you and hear mechanical things going on, and so it's last few minutes leading up to launch is quite exciting and quite dynamic. You know something's happening, and then when the lights off, of course, it's being sort of a center line thrust, and you're sitting right on the center. You just feel that kick in the pants, and then of course there's a little bit of a lateral, but the second to third stage is pretty dramatic, and I think maybe you saw the little dog we have as a talisman. He did a little third stage kick in as well.
But maybe all this technical, it's not so important. More important for us, it was the Paulos Nespoli wall. If you remember, Buon appetito. And we had this appetito very well. And I think it's more important in space. The technical is, we had great launch, we had great docking. It's every system working very perfect, very soft, very correct. and we are very lucky with this. But bon appetit is very important for everybody of us. And we remember, say hello, Paolo.
Well, the six of you look totally marvelous up there. Bon appetito.
Well, guys, we're very glad to see you, to talk to hear you. We're proud of you. We are wishing you successful flight all together and talk to you later. Goodbye. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for reliable equipment. Guys, that's it. We're wrapping up. Okay, Nikolai, we copied the information. We are congratulating you on the successful docking and on the start of your work together. Thank you, Nikolai. Thank you very much. Okay, and could you also turn off the camera? Otherwise, we keep watching you there. Okay, turn it off.